We're at a point now where we can begin to use digital to really transform the patient and the staff experience in healthcare. Anytime, anywhere, any place healthcare is what we're looking at in terms of the future. We've seen unprecedented change just in the last few years, whether that was about remote consultation, new ways of working for staff. But all around us, we can see progress being made. It isn't about replacing people, it's about upskilling people, giving them the skills and the knowledge that they need to thrive in a really fast-changing world.
So the Intensive Learning Academy is a response to challenges within the health and care sector in Wales, the demands around the need to better understand digital transformation and digital technology for leaders at all levels. The reason why digital transformation projects often fail are there's an overemphasis on the technology and not on the people. Within the ILA, we really concentrate a lot on leadership and management of people and processes. We bring in the technology so people have confidence to understand the language and the possibilities of what that technology is. By thinking with a digital first attitude, it allows people to come at things from different perspectives. So if you get a good combination of leadership, digital technology and innovation, the ILA is the sweet spot within those three spheres.
The ILA has really helped us to build our confidence, to build our skills and to give the right experience and training to our staff around digital ways of working.
It's absolutely critical that we upskill our people. Powys is a rural health board, so therefore for those that are already within our workforce, we need to make sure that they have well-rounded skills that take all of the advantages that digital can offer. The Intensive Learning Academy and the partnering that we're doing with University of South Wales is absolutely critical to our journey. Without the Intensive Learning Academy, the Health Board would not be able to achieve its ambition.
So we're really proud that we've already engaged thousands of leaders in the sector through our Intensive Learning Academy. What is really special is that once they leave us, they will then use their skills to transform their teams and the way their teams think about digital transformation. This will have a tangible impact on people's lives in Wales. We will all feel the benefit of the ILA here in Wales.